Hey girl, hey, it's Kiyaa. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure you consider liking, subscribing, becoming a doll. Okay. If you aren't new here, hey girl, hey. So today's video is going to be on this updo. It's giving, okay? So y'all know right now the trend is messy updos, fishtails. Like, y'all know what's going on, okay? This is one of the styles that has been trending a lot. They be wearing this hairstyle. So if you are interested in this look, make sure you keep on watching because I'm gonna give you all the details. Okay. All right, let's go. I'm doing this wig as y'all seen earlier in the video. It's the old wig. Y'all seen that wig before. But y'all know the trendy hairstyles right now, which is an updo, curls. Y'all know the vibe. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm just going in with my little razor because I can't find my scissors right now. And I'm just cutting off that excess cap. But I don't want to cut this part because this part is going to be here. And I just put like edge control to mow my hair down because my hair is growing, y'all. Then you want to mold the cap into the skin. And I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do that. So on this part, you just put a little bit of glue on your hairline and press the cap. All this extra cap would typically get cut off, but I can blend it into my skin. It'll give that seamless effect. So I'm putting a little bit around the hairline and I'm just pushing it down like towards my face. And this is gonna melt the cap into my head. Y'all see that? So once it dries, it's literally look like my skin. We're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna start applying our layers. But meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and clean this lace. So we're gonna clean the lace because it's a little dirty, but I did wash it, so it's freshly washed hair. I'm using my Fenty Eavesdrop in the color 17. I'm gonna put all this extra lace on. Hot comb the hair. Alright y'all, so as y'all see, I probably look a little bright. As y'all see, I cut this down with the razor just to give it like the natural type of look. These pieces were already cut because you kind of want it to be curls around the bottom half of your head. So I like to take this little piece out right here, do the 2 pieces here as y'all seen, and then take a little bit out in the back, maybe like that last trait, and just razor it out. And then as y'all see, I went ahead and put my hair in a ponytail because it's supposed to be a messy ponytail, but I kind of like to already have an idea of the style that I'm doing. So even though it's a messy ponytail, we've already pulled that up so we know what not to touch. Now I'm just going in and I'm just making sure that the curls are to my liking. Whatever curling iron you choose to use, big, small, medium, long, short, don't matter. Just make sure you curl the entire head with that same curling iron so it can give that same look. And as you see, the shorter pieces aren't going to give super tight curls or as tight as these are because they're shorter pieces. So I went ahead and sprayed some hairspray, spritz, whatever you have on the front of the hairline just to push it back to give that frontal effect. It don't have to be super neat. You just want to put some heat to it, whether it's a blow dryer or a curling iron like y'all seen me do, and then just comb that out. And then when you comb down, it's not just laying flat on my face. You get what I'm saying? And you just play with this part till you like it. I like to go ahead and spritz and comb all the hair back. So like I said, I know what to play with and what not to play with. And you just comb that back. Period. And in this area here, you can always go in with your hot comb. Hot combs kind of work better because it combs it in the way that you want it, so you don't have to go back and comb it out. Some people like to comb it out. It's me, I'm some people. I don't like it to be so defined like this. You get what I'm saying? But it depends on what I'm going for because every day is a different day. As y'all seen, I didn't leave like a box. I didn't go here. I didn't do like a sharp line. I went here down the middle and then I went down this area so that it'll give this effect. Like it'll give that curled effect, if that makes sense. Girl, my forehead looks so big. Lately I've been putting on my wigs and girl, it's been giving real forehead and I don't like that. Now it's time to go ahead and curl the back pieces. This is what I'm working with today. Now you just want to go in and curl your hair and pin your hair up. And it ain't got to be the best. It can just be small sections, big sections, however you want to do it. Okay, if you start off small, finish small. If you start off big, finish big. You start off medium, finish medium. Now a messy updo is not supposed to be like super neat, right? Some people like to let theirs drop and then pin them like that. And that's the vibe I'm going for. Like, I kind of want half pin curls, if that makes sense. Then you see how that little curl is hanging? Yeah, that's how I want it. Alright y'all, so obviously y'all have seen the video. I hope y'all liked it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and comment out today, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye dolls.